guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this sign. My friend Lily gave me this to fix it for my friend Zach, and it was really sticky, but I fixed it like a lot. So yeah, before I show you this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications if you haven't already, so you don't miss any videos like this. And also like this video. So yeah. And by the way, I'm sorry, but the colour's changed a little. It's like a bluey purple, but it's not that dark. So you can change the colour if you like doing like it. So this is it. It's got a really nice coat, and it's very stretchy, and it's got great bubble pops. And it smells so good because I scent vanilla. It is a little sticky still because I ran out of applicator, but it is not that sticky. It's really like, and this one again, but this click is literally insane. And the stretch is actually decent. The bubble pops are really good, but you gotta stretch it fast because it's like very soft. There's a slime trick, but I don't know how to do it. So you basically fold and then flip it over. But this is like too soft to do that. So I'm gonna actually attempt to do this. But this is very soft, so it might not work. So yeah, so it's something like that. But then I can do it with like other slimes a bit, I guess. But like I don't know if a lot of people know about it. Comment down below if you can do it, or if you're gonna try, or something if you're gonna try. Ready? Actually, that was actually the worst thing ever. I thought it was going to be good, but no, it wasn't. That was a good one. Right. I'm just going to knead it hard. So I'm also going to add something to make it really, really nice. Like, it's going to go good so you can play with it, like just hold it in your hands. So let me just take this out. Okay, it's this bit. Keeps your hair down, but it'll work, I guess. Okay, that was a lot. At least the scent's not going. Okay, so that I have actually added like quite a lot. So yeah. So I'm just kneading. I'm just kneading. I'm actually going to try that bubble trick again. So, ready? It didn't work that well. That is quite sad. So, So yeah, that's all I look for today, guys. Make sure to like this video and comment down below if you can do that like slime trick if you want to search for me, comment, and make sure to subscribe and hit notifications so you don't miss any videos like this. So yeah, bye.